Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Laravel E-Commerce project tutorial for beginners. So in this tutorial, we are going to delete the data from the cart table. So this will be really quick tutorial. So for it, let's go back to our code. So we'll go back to our code and we'll go to our mycart.blade.php, and after this image, we're going to have a option over here, and that option name will be, let's say remove. And let's go down, and after the image td we are going to mention another td, and in this td we are going to have an anchor tag, and in this anchor tag we are going to say remove. Then in this anchor tag, let's mention a bootstrap class, and the class name will be btn. It will be danger, and in the html we'll give 2 second bracket, but before that let's just save it. Then let me just refresh, and there you can see we have a remove button right now. So let's go back, and in this href we'll give 2 second bracket, then we'll set our URL to first bracket to single quotation, and we're going to get the ID for a specific product in the cart. So for it, what you need to do is that you can see $cart. We'll say here, let me just give the name, let's say delete_cart. Then we'll give a comma here. Then we're going to mention this $cart over here. This arrow sign will get the ID. So right now let's save this, and let's go to our web.php and create this route. So let me go to our web.php. Let me just copy this route, then paste it here. So our route will be get, and here our route name is delete_cart. So let me just copy this, and we're going to set here delete_cart. We also need to catch the ID that we are sending from here. And after that, we'll use the home controller. Our function name will be delete_cart. Let's save this, and let's go to our home controller. So we'll go to our home controller. Then here we're going to say public function delete_cart. First of all, we'll get the ID. Then 2 second bracket. So the ID we are catching is coming from here. So here we are going to declare a variable, let's say $data equal to, we are going to measure our table model name, which is cart. We say here find to first bracket $ID, and after it we are going to say $data, and we say delete. After deleting data, we let the user stay on the same page. So we say here return redirect to first bracket this arrow sign back. So this is all we need to do to delete our data from the cart table. So if we now refresh here, then let's say we want to delete this one. If we click on delete, there you can see the data is deleted. So right now let's can show a success message that data deleted successfully. So for it, let's go back to the code, and let me just go a little top, and here you can see this is a toaster notification. And we already installed toaster in our Laravel project. So we can just copy this, and after this delete, paste it here, and we are going to say product remove from the cart successfully. Let's save it. Let's refresh here. Let's say we will put remove this on. Click on remove, and there you can see product removed from the cart successfully. This is all for this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.